Motor Forge, where automotive excellence meets the road ahead. The 2026 Land Rover Defender continues to prove that rugged capability and luxury can coexist in one incredibly desirable package, and if you've ever wondered what happens when an off-road legend gets a modern premium makeover, this SUV is the answer. From the very first glance, the Defender commands attention with its bold, boxy silhouette, muscular stance, signature LED lighting, and unmistakable presence that looks equally at home in a luxury hotel driveway or halfway up a mountain trail. Measuring over 197 inches long in the popular Defender 110 configuration, it offers impressive road presence while maintaining the iconic design cues that have made the Defender a global icon. Step inside, and the cabin delivers a perfect balance between durability and sophistication. Premium materials, supportive seating, and clever storage solutions create an environment that feels both upscale and adventure-ready. There is generous space for passengers, excellent visibility, and available third-row seating for families needing extra practicality. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 Defender, featuring Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, voice controls, and over-the-air software updates that keep the vehicle feeling fresh long after purchase. Under the hood, buyers can choose from several powertrains, including turbocharged and mild hybrid 6-cylinder engines, while higher performance variants continue to offer thrilling V8 power. Depending on configuration, output can range from around 296 horsepower to well over 500 horsepower, giving the Defender the flexibility to satisfy both adventure seekers and performance enthusiasts. Acceleration is surprisingly strong for such a capable SUV, and the refined power delivery makes highway cruising effortless. On the road, the Defender feels remarkably comfortable thanks to its advanced suspension system, while its steering inspires confidence despite its size. Off the pavement is where things become truly impressive. With sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, terrain management technology, impressive ground clearance, and exceptional water-wading capability, the Defender can tackle challenging conditions that would leave many luxury SUVs searching for an escape route. Fuel economy is respectable rather than class-leading, generally ranging between the high teens and low 20s depending on engine choice, which is understandable considering the vehicle's size, capability, and performance potential. Safety is another strong area, with features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, driver attention monitoring, and a surround view camera system helping drivers stay protected. Of course, no vehicle is perfect. The Defender's premium pricing, potentially expensive options, and higher running costs may discourage budget-conscious buyers. However, its combination of luxury, capability, technology, and heritage creates a package few competitors can match. Rivals like the, and each bring unique strengths, but the Defender strikes one of the best balances between everyday usability and genuine off-road excellence. Pricing is expected to start around the mid-$60,000 range and climb significantly for high-end trims and V8 models, but for many buyers, the value lies in owning an SUV that can comfortably handle school runs during the week and serious adventures on the weekend. The 2026 Land Rover Defender remains one of the most complete luxury off-road SUVs on the market, blending timeless character with cutting-edge engineering in a way few vehicles can achieve. If you enjoyed this review, let us know your favorite Defender variant in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe to Motor Forge, and stay tuned for more premium automotive content.